Learn Islam with four sisters, learning every day. Little hearts and growing minds, Allah's loving way.
The four sisters opened a big picture book about Hajj.
Wow! So many people dressed in white.
Where are they going?
They're going to Makkah for Hajj.
It's a very special journey for Muslims.
Packing bags and hearts so bright, going on a journey white. To the Kaaba Muslims pray, following Allah's loving way.
The sisters imagined walking around the Kaaba together.
Look! Everyone walks side by side.
All Muslims are together.
Hajj teaches love and unity.
Round the Kaaba walk and pray, thanking Allah every day. Side by side we smile and sing, peace and love Hajj journeys bring.
The sisters learned about the blessed Zamzam water.
Zamzam water is special. It reminds us Allah always cares for us. Allah gives blessings everywhere.
Splashing water cool and sweet, blessings flowing at our feet. Allah's mercy shines so bright, guiding hearts with love and light.
The sisters raised their hands together.
Ya Allah, help us grow in faith.
Ameen.
Ya Allah, guide us every day. Help us follow your kind way. With happy hearts we laugh and pray, hoping for Hajj someday. Learn Islam with four sisters, learning what is right, loving Allah in all we do, from morning until night.
Alhamdulillah, we had so much fun today. Don't forget to say Bismillah, pray on time, like, subscribe, and join us again soon, inshallah.